Hi everyone! Tonight I'll be making pineapple lamb burgers. What all goes into the pineapple lamb burgers? 1 pound ground lamb, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 1 cup crushed pineapple, undrained. And this does not call for this, but I decided I like burgers on bread. So I decided to get the sandwich thins, the multi-grain ones, so it's a little bit healthier, but that's optional. So let's begin. Take a skillet and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Set it aside. Take a bowl, take your 1 pound of ground lamb, and mix your 1 teaspoon of salt and your 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and mix that with the lamb. I'm going to mix with my clean hands. You can mix with a spoon or whatever you want to do. So then take your lamb and split it into fourths and make 4 patties. I'm just going to use my little patty maker here. So make your patties. And I just will flatten that out. And if it sticks, you can wipe this down with some of that non-stick cooking spray. Lift this out, lay it into the pan, like so. So these are actually 1/4 pound lamb burgers, if I have them separated evenly enough. So put your 4 burgers in the skillet. Fry them over medium heat until they're cooked through. So the burgers have to be at 160-degree internal temperature. Let's check that. That's more than 160. That's more than 160. That's definitely more than 160 because that's my thin one. We'll remove them and put them on a plate and keep them warm. This is 80-20, so they did shrink up quite a bit. I'm going to drain most of the grease off and I'll be right back. So take your pan and add the crushed pineapple. And this is a cup of pineapple, not drained. And heat that until it is hot and bubbly. So while this is heating up, I'll toast the sandwich thins so we can have it all come together at once. We're doing this open face, so we'll just need one side of the sandwich thins. Lay it on your plate. Lay it off to the side because we'll have to add the other part of the meal. Put your burger on the top and put your pineapple on top of the burger. So here is the pineapple lamb burger. Rounding out the meal is Mediterranean crunch salad. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm supposed to pick this up or
however you want to eat it.
However I want to eat it, all right.
It is pineapple lamb burger.
Huh. That's pretty good. I know it smelled really good when I came in. So is there any beef in this or is it all lamb?
It's just lamb. It's ground lamb, salt and pepper. And then I heated up the pineapple and put it on a sandwich thin. Easy peasy.
Yeah, I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.